Today we're going to review some very important grammar for A1, demonstratives, adjectives, articles, countable and uncountable nouns, plurals, the present simple, and prepositions. We will use simple examples with food and colors to help you understand clearly. Let's start with demonstrative pronouns, this and that. We use this for something near and that for something far. For example, this is an apple, this is the Eiffel Tower, that is Notre Dame, that is an egg. We use the structure, this plus is plus noun, that plus is plus noun. In questions, the order changes, is this the Eiffel Tower, what is this, who is that? So remember, we change the order for questions. Now let's talk about adjectives. Adjectives describe a person, place, or thing. They usually come before a noun. For example, this is a red apple, this is a green salad, that is a big restaurant, this is my red apple. We can also put adjectives after the verb to be, the apple is red, the salad is fresh, the restaurant is big. We can use more than one adjective, this is my red apple, my and red are both adjectives. Next, let's learn about articles, a, an, and the. We use a and when we talk about something general. For example, that is a restaurant, this is a red apple, that is a website, this is an egg, that is an orange. We use a before consonant sounds, a salad, a pizza, a coffee, and an before vowel sounds, an apple, an egg, an onion. We use the for something specific, this is the red apple, the apple is red, this is the Eiffel Tower. So, remember, a and equals general, the equals specific. Now let's talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are things we can count, apple, banana, orange, sandwich, cup, spoon, egg, fork, knife, glass, bowl, pizza, table. We can say, this is a cup, that is a spoon, this is an egg. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count easily, tea, milk, water, coffee, sugar, bread, butter, oil, rice, soup, pasta, beef, fish. We do not use a and with uncountable nouns. We say, this is tea, that is milk, this is soup, that is pasta. Let's look at the plural of nouns. Usually, we add s, apples, oranges, bananas, tables. Some words change, knife, knives, glass, glasses, sandwich, sandwiches, potato, potatoes. Uncountable nouns do not have plural forms. When we talk in general, we use the plural, I like apples, I eat oranges, I eat eggs for breakfast. Now let's review the present simple. We use it for habits and general facts. For example, I eat dinner at 7 p.m., I drink coffee for breakfast, coffee is black. The base form is used with I, you, we, they, I eat, you eat, we eat, they eat. With he, she, it, we add s, she eats fish, he eats yogurt, it eats honey. For example, we eat vegetables, they eat soup, she eats rice, he eats chicken. Finally, let's look at some prepositions, for, with, in, on, at. We use them to show relationships. For example, I drink wine with dinner, they eat a salad for lunch, we eat yogurt for dessert, you eat toast with butter, we eat at the table, I like wine in a glass, the food is on the plate, she drinks coffee in a cup. Let's finish with some vocabulary. Colors, blue, red, green, yellow, purple, orange, black, white, brown. Food, apple, bread, banana, yogurt, onion, water, vegetables, carrot, tomato, chicken, butter, egg, coffee, tea, sugar, mushroom, sandwich, salad, potato, pizza, garlic, milk, honey. Dishes, fork, spoon, knife, glass, cup, bowl, plate, table. Meals, breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, restaurant, menu. So, today we reviewed demonstratives, adjectives, articles, countable and uncountable nouns, plurals, present simple, and prepositions. These are basic but very important tools to help you describe food, meals, and everyday life in English.